Welcome back everyone. So in this video we are going to solve a pointer view problem, that is a reverse integer. So let's start. So we want a number first. So what I'll do, I'll take the help of random class to generate a random number. So I'll call the random constructor, then call the next int. It would return a random number. So every time I would run, I would see a new number. So okay, that's to pass the range, so it would generate a number from within the range to 1 to 100. See 90. Now I would reverse the number and check. So what I'll do, I will first take the help of instream class, instream dot iterate. So I have to iterate, and first I have to pass the number. Second parameter is the unary operator, so I would pass the lambda function. So I would say your number, take the number is not equals to 0, and number is every time you iterate, take the number and divide by 10. Then I would call the map. Inside the map I would transform the value, so I would say n mod 10, so it will modulo by 10. Then I would call the reduce okay dot okay, I have something missing here. Let's check once. Okay, I've just forget to write the lambda expression. Now I would call the reduce, and initial value is 0, and I would say reverse plus the digit, and just go and sum, do the sum first. So I would first summing up the value, and then I would multiply by 10. Now I would assign it int reverse, and now I would print. So after reverse, the reverse number, and this one is before reverse. That's it. Let's run and see. Okay, so reverse integer we have successfully performed using the string. Before the reverse it's 14, and after the reverse is 41. Every time I would run, I would see a different result. Now this time it's 80, so after reverse is 0, 8. So 0 is not meaningless before any number, so that's why it's print 8. Now this time it's 36, and after reverse it's 63. So that's all for this video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.